Navigating the cryptid world of internet tire buying can be an adventure, but your tire installation shouldn't be. Nobody has been happily installing internet tires longer than the big guy at Thompson Run Tire, and nobody will get you safely down the road with less hassle and less adventure. Just off of Route 8 north of Titusville, TRT also performs expert repairs and has an extensive used tire inventory. A home for wayward tires, so to speak. Save money, get exactly what you want, when you want it. Order your tires online and let the big guy take care of the rest. A Cryptovania production at TRT Studios.